how to use AirDrop on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use AirDrop in your iPhone. So for people who do not know what AirDrop is a wireless service that allows iOS users to share files between different devices. Now the devices must be Apple, so yeah, you can share files, photos, anything between iOS devices. So this is how you do it. The first thing that you'll need to do is turn on your AirDrop. So you can turn it on after you head over to your control panel, and there you should see the connectivity section where you can turn on your AirDrop. Now after you turn on your AirDrop, your Bluetooth will get turned on as well. After you do that, you can head over to any files or folders, and there you can find any pictures or anything that you want to share. Now what you can do is open that up, and after you open that any files, you can tap on the share button. After you tap on the share button, you will see the AirDrop button right here. Tap on it and it will start scanning different devices that has AirDrop on. Now if you find anyone here, you can just tap on it, tap on their icon, and after you tap on their icon, they will receive an invitation where they will have to accept what you are sending. After they accept it, it will start sending the image or file, and yeah, that's basically it. That is how you use AirDrop. Now it's the same for the receiving end. You will need to turn on your AirDrop from here and then your Bluetooth, and after you do that, you will get an invitation right around here that says accept AirDrop, and after you do that, you will start receiving files. And yeah, it's that simple. That is how you use AirDrop on your iPhone. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.